Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we will discuss AI safety with Anthropic, Amazon's new AI initiatives, and Meta's privacy challenges. We will also explore quantum computing, innovative AI chips, and methods to improve language models. In early May, Time interviewed Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, an AI company in San Francisco. A meme in their office humorously depicts AI progress as unstoppable, reflecting the team's belief that AI development is far from slowing down. Anthropic, named one of Time's 100 most influential companies of 2024, focuses on AI safety while competing with industry giants like OpenAI, Microsoft, Google, and Amazon. On June 20th, they launched Claude 3.5 Sonnet, a chatbot surpassing OpenAI's GPT-4. Anthropic has significant funding, but faces challenges in maintaining safety amidst rapid AI advancements and economic pressures. Amodei emphasizes the need for responsible government involvement and discusses the implications of AI on global inequality and economic structures. Amazon is reportedly developing a consumer-focused AI chatbot named Metis to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT, per Business Insider. Metis, accessible via web browser and powered by a new foundational model, could be unveiled later this year. This initiative positions Amazon alongside tech giants like Microsoft and Google in the AI assistant market. Amazon is also planning a new version of its Alexa voice assistant called Remarkable Alexa, which includes a paid tier. Analysts from Bank of America predict this could generate $600 million, with a 10% adoption rate among existing Alexa users. Amazon's recent AI advancements include Amazon Q for enterprises and the AI shopping assistant Rufus. CEO Andy Jassy is directly involved in Metis, emphasizing Amazon's strategy of AI model creation, utilization, and application development. Meta has delayed training its AI on data from European Union users following a request from the Irish Data Protection Commission, DPC. As a result, Meta's new AI features will not be available in the European Union until regulatory approval is granted. Meta's Global Engagement Director for Privacy Policy, Stefano Fratta, expressed disappointment, stating the delay hampers European innovation and competition in AI. Privacy group NOYB speculates that complaints led to the DPC's request, but remains cautious, noting Meta's privacy policy has not officially changed. The DPC welcomed Meta's decision and highlighted ongoing engagement with the company. Additionally, Meta will address requests from the UK's Information Commissioner's Office before proceeding with AI training. Let's now turn our attention to the impact of AI. Quantum computing promises faster, cheaper execution of complex tasks compared to traditional GPU computing. AI's growing electricity demands are straining global power grids, with data center power consumption expected to double from 2022 to 2026. Quantum computing, leveraging qubits, can process data far more efficiently than classical systems, enhancing AI applications like drug discovery and financial simulations. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and IBM are already offering quantum computing cloud services. However, quantum computing also poses cybersecurity risks due to its potential to break current encryption standards. Despite its promise, quantum computing is still in its infancy, requiring significant hardware improvements before widespread adoption. Generative AI is revolutionizing industries, boosting demand for AI chips. NVIDIA dominates this market, controlling 70% to 95%. Major cloud providers like Meta and Microsoft are investing billions of dollars in NVIDIA GPUs to stay competitive. However, generative AI vendors and venture capitalists are seeking alternatives to challenge NVIDIA. Etched, founded by Harvard dropouts Gavin Uberti and Chris Zhu, is developing a specialized chip called SoHu designed exclusively for transformer models. Transformers are central to many AI applications, such as OpenAI's Sora and text-generating models like Google's Gemini. Manufactured using TSMC's 4nm process, SoHu claims superior performance and efficiency compared to NVIDIA's GPUs. Etched recently closed a $120 million Series A funding round, bringing its total raise to $125.36 million. Despite competition and market risks, investors are optimistic about Etched's potential. Google is working on an AI experiment that allows users to chat with celebrities, YouTube influencers, and fictional characters. This project will enable anyone to create personalized chatbots by describing their personality and appearance. Unlike Gems, which are customized versions of Gemini for specific tasks, this new initiative will fine-tune the Gemini language models to mimic specific people. Google's project aims to compete with Meta's celebrity AI chatbots and services like Character.ai. The development is led by Ryan Germick and involves 10 employees from Google's Labs team. Integration with YouTube is expected for monetization, enhancing user engagement and reach for creators. While the release date is pending, the platform will likely debut on the Google Labs page for testing. Researchers have developed a new method to run AI language models more efficiently by eliminating matrix multiplication, which could significantly reduce the environmental impact and operational costs of AI systems. Detailed in a recent preprint by the University of California, Santa Cruz and others, this innovation could challenge the prevailing paradigm that matrix multiplication is indispensable for high-performing language models. The new model, Scalable Matmul-free language modeling, achieves similar performance to traditional models, but operates with substantially lower power consumption. For instance, a 1.3 billion parameter model runs at 23.8 tokens per second on a GPU-accelerated FPGA chip using about 13 watts of power. This approach could make large language models more accessible, efficient, and sustainable, especially on resource-constrained devices like smartphones. Let's now switch to the potential applications. LLMs are expansive, often with billions of parameters, trained on unstructured language data. Despite their capabilities, they suffer from hallucinations, where models generate erroneous information. Lamini, a startup led by CEO Sharon Zhou and CTO Greg Diamos, has introduced a novel approach called memory tuning, which reduces LLM hallucinations by 95%. This method involves using mixture of memory experts, MEO-ME, which embeds specific data into models at a 100x rate compared to traditional fine-tuning. This technique allows models, even those as small as 3 billion parameters, to recall exact data, enhancing accuracy while reducing computational requirements. Lamini's approach is already deployed in Fortune 500 companies, showing a tenfold decrease in hallucinations for text-to-SQL code generation. And now, pivot our discussion towards startup stories. EvolutionaryScale focuses on AI models to generate novel proteins for scientific research. Their flagship model, ESM3, can create proteins for drug discovery and materials science. ESM3, trained on 2.78 billion proteins, can reason over protein sequences, structures, and functions, akin to Google DeepMind's AlphaFold. The startup was founded by Alexander Rives, Tom Sercu, and Sal Candido, former Meta AI researchers. They aim to revolutionize protein design, a costly and labor-intensive process, by using AI to predict and generate protein structures that could lead to new drugs and therapeutics. EvolutionaryScale has made ESM3 available for non-commercial use through its Forge platform and plans to monetize through partnerships, usage fees, and revenue sharing. They are also integrating ESM3 with AWS and NVIDIA platforms for broader accessibility. The company hopes to scale its model training to create a general-purpose AI for biotech applications. Devs traditionally rely on local environments to write, build, and test code before deploying it to the cloud. However, this method can lead to conflicts and security issues. Cloud development environments, CDEs, offer a solution by providing remotely hosted software development tools, and Gartner predicts that 60% of cloud workloads will use CDEs by 2026. Coder, an early entrant in the CDE market, offers pre-configured cloud environments for enterprise use. Coder was founded in 2017 by Amar Bandakwala, Kyle Carberry, and John Andrew Entwistle, who initially created an open-source tool to develop software remotely via a browser using Microsoft's Visual Studio Code IDE. Coder's product is valuable because it helps companies retain talent and operate efficiently without sacrificing security. The software, which is self-hosted and works across multiple clouds, offers features like role-based access controls and end-to-end encryption. Coder charges for its enterprise version, which includes advanced governance and user management features. The company's open-source software has paying customers including Dropbox, Discord, and Skydio. Revenue doubled last year, and Coder expects similar growth in 2024 as it expands globally. Dappier, an early-stage startup, aims to ensure publishers get compensated when their content is used to train large language models. Co-founder and CEO Dan Goikman describes Dappier as a monetization stack for the emerging AI internet, providing a new way for media companies and information providers to get paid as their content is leveraged by AI platforms globally. Dappier's approach addresses the issue of companies scraping content without permission by creating a transactional marketplace. This allows content to be licensed on a per-query basis or monetized through ads. Customers can connect to a content store via an RSS feed to build a model using retrieval-augmented generation. Publications can then sell access to the model through the marketplace or find other monetization methods, like offering an AI-powered search engine as a premium service. This approach provides a new revenue stream for publishers, especially when traditional website advertising revenues are declining. Next, we delve into the impact of AI. SoundHound AI, a voice AI and speech recognition company founded in 2005 and public since 2022, has acquired Allset, an online ordering platform with nearly 7,000 restaurant partners, including Joe and the Juice and Charlie's Cheesesteaks. The financial terms of the deal remain undisclosed. SoundHound specializes in speech recognition, natural language understanding, music recognition, and search technologies. SoundHound's vehicle intelligence product, powered by NVIDIA Drive, enables natural speech queries related to vehicle maintenance and safety. The acquisition of Allset aims to enhance SoundHound's capabilities in voice-enabled food ordering across various platforms, including cars, TVs, and smart devices. SoundHound's technology, used in over 10,000 restaurant locations, can understand multiple languages, process orders directly to POS systems, and answer customer queries. The company has partnered with White Castle to implement voice AI ordering at drive-thrus, with plans to expand to 100 locations by the end of 2024. Retool, founded in 2017, has established itself as a premier low-code tool for building internal business applications. Now, it's expanding to include external apps with its new service, Retool for External Apps. This service enables businesses to quickly and efficiently build secure, performant apps for a broader audience. Companies like Orange Theory have already utilized it to provide tools to over 1,600 studio managers, and startups are leveraging it to create MVPs. Retool's core idea is that all internal tools share the same building blocks: buttons, forms, tables. This concept extends to external business software, which often consists of basic CRUD apps. Retool simplifies the traditionally primitive process of building these apps, which are usually created from scratch using React. For external apps, additional factors like branding, performance, and security are crucial. Retool includes features for authentication, authorization, and API integration. It also offers tools for embedding new apps into existing ones and supports invite and onboarding flows and custom email communications. Retool aims to deliver performant, reliable, and secure software, potentially surpassing React in specific use cases. Otis Chandler, co-founder of Goodreads, is back with a new venture called Smashing. This AI and community-powered content recommendation app aims to connect users with a wide range of online content, including news articles, blog posts, social media posts, and podcasts. Launched into an invite-only beta, Smashing seeks to fill the gap left by Artifact, the AI news reader from Instagram's co-founder, and address the increasingly fragmented media ecosystem. Chandler, motivated by the difficulty of finding quality content online during his sabbatical, teamed up with Greg Veen to create Smashing. The app allows users to follow their interests, submit content, and vote on recommendations, thus surfacing the internet's hidden gems. Unlike traditional search engines that often lead to SEO-optimized, ad-filled pages, Smashing focuses on curating interesting, accurate content. Smashing combines AI technology with community input to offer summaries, key excerpts, and pull quotes, driving traffic to publishers rather than replacing them. Smashing aims to uncover valuable content in an internet increasingly filled with both junk and gems. Sensi.ai, founded by Romy Goobs in 2019, offers a unique technology for home care agencies to virtually monitor the well-being of elderly clients around the clock through audio AI. Unlike intrusive camera-based systems, Sensi uses audio pods similar to Amazon's Alexa, placed strategically in the home to continuously collect and analyze audio data. This technology helps detect emergencies like falls, as well as less urgent health issues such as urinary tract infections and pneumonia, and tracks changes in activity levels and emotional well-being. Sensi.ai addresses the growing demand for aging in place, as nearly 90% of people over 65 prefer to stay in their homes. The company's AI identifies over 100 insights about seniors' health, with continuous input from a clinical care team. Over 80% of the largest home care networks in the United States utilize Sensi, contributing to a threefold revenue increase over the past 3 years. The company plans to expand globally, leveraging generative AI to easily launch new language models. Join us as we discover the future of telehealth. Sonia is a startup founded by Dustin Klebe, Lucas Wolf, and Chris Aberle, aiming to provide an AI-driven alternative to traditional therapy. Leveraging generative AI models, their iOS app offers text or voice-based therapy sessions, applying cognitive behavioral techniques. Users pay $20 per month or $200 per year for the service, which includes personalized insights and visualizations to identify stressors. Sonia targets various mental health issues like depression, stress, anxiety, and relationship problems. For severe cases such as suicidal ideation, the app employs additional algorithms to direct users to emergency hotlines. Although the founders lack psychology backgrounds, they consult with professionals and recently hired a cognitive psychology graduate. Sonia emphasizes minimal data storage, retaining only users' names and ages, though specifics on data handling remain unclear. With 8,000 users, the startup is in talks to integrate with mental health organizations. While Sonia aims to bridge the gap in mental health care access, concerns about AI limitations and cultural biases persist. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.